the only real fight that I have. It's just to stay on my faith and guard the thoughts that come through my mind and guard the words that come out of my mouth. I cannot even be moved by what I see. I can't be moved by a doctor's report. I cannot be moved by a letter that's in the mail or served to me. I have to be consistent.
These kingdoms that are what we call the world, the kingdom that stands up, we call mammon, the kingdom which just stands up, all of the corruption, all of the things must bow to the name of Jesus. But we're the ones that use our faith to make them bow.
Don't you lose your momentum. Don't you lose your zeal. Don't you stop believing God. If God said this is the year of the fullness of the blessing of God without measure, I'm going after my measure. I'm going after the blessing of God. I want to see everything God said belong to me.
Almighty, incredible, amazing, supernatural, wonderful, marvelous.